Hey everyone! We are going to learn some signs that go with Three Little Birds by Bob Marley. Before we sing the song, I'm going to go through the signs so that you guys know what's coming. The song starts out saying, "Don't worry." We're going to go like this for "don't worry." Don't worry. And shake your head. About a thing, like this. Because every little thing is gonna be all right. Let's do that together again. So it goes, don't worry about a thing, because every little thing is gonna be all right. Good job. Okay, the next part says, I rise up this morning. So we're gonna do I wake up and morning. So I rise up this morning and I smile with the rising sun, the sunrise. I smile with the rising sun. Three little birds. We're gonna do three birds. Sit by my doorstep. Good. Okay, let's do all of that together. So we have, I woke up this morning. I smiled with the rising sun. Three little birds sat by my doorstep. Good job. Okay, the next part says we're singing sweet songs of melodies. So same as music, same as singing. Pure and true. This is true. And saying, this is my message to you. Singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true, saying, this is my message for you. Awesome. Let's try it one more time, nice and slow, and then we will sing the whole thing with the music. Okay, here we go. Remember it says, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be all right. And it says again, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be all right. And we say we rise up this morning, I smile with the rising sun. Three little birds sat by my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true, saying, this is my message to you. And then it repeats again. Awesome job, guys. Let's sing it with the song.